Dealing with persistent knee pain? In this video, we'll guide you through 5 techniques to fix knee pain with foam rolling. So let's explore those. Wait, before starting the video, we introduce you with Joint Restore Gummies, which will help you to relieve knee pain naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Technique 1. Quadriceps foam rolling. Our first technique focuses on foam rolling the quadriceps, an essential muscle group involved in knee movement and stability. Position yourself on your stomach with the foam roller placed under your thighs just above the knee joint. Roll slowly back and forth, targeting areas of tension and tightness in the quadriceps muscles, pausing on any sore spots to apply gentle pressure for about 20 to 30 seconds. Technique 2. Hamstring foam rolling. Next, we'll demonstrate how to use foam rolling to release tension in the hamstring muscles, promoting improved flexibility and mobility in the knees. Sit on the foam roller with your hands behind you for support and your legs extended, placing the foam roller under your thighs. Roll back and forth along the length of your hamstring muscles, pausing on any points of tightness to apply controlled pressure and release muscle tension effectively. Technique 3. IT band foam rolling. Foam rolling the iliotibial band is crucial for addressing knee pain caused by tightness or inflammation in this connective tissue. Lie on your side with the foam roller positioned beneath your outer thigh, just below your hip. Roll along the length of your IT band from your hip to just above the knee, focusing on areas of tension and discomfort to promote muscle relaxation and alleviate knee pressure. Technique 4. Calf foam rolling. Calf foam rolling is essential for enhancing overall lower body mobility and reducing strain on the knees. Sit on the floor with your legs extended and the foam roller beneath your calves. Roll back and forth along the calf muscles, pausing to apply gentle pressure on any knots or tight areas, allowing the muscles to release tension and improve flexibility. Technique 5. Inner thigh foam rolling. Lastly, we'll explore foam rolling techniques to target the inner thigh muscles, promoting improved muscle balance and stability around the knee joint. Lie on your side with the foam roller positioned under your inner thigh near the knee joint. Roll along the inner thigh, focusing on areas of tightness and tension, and gently apply pressure to encourage muscle relaxation and alleviate strain on the knee. Where to get the Joint Restore Gummies? Get Joint Restore Gummies from official website. Click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time, stay tuned.